Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what are the messages for you for the month of January 2022. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for Geminis. So we have the King of Swords, the Sun, the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, the King of Wands, the Six of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. So Geminis, I think you are confused as to where your happiness lies. That's what I feel, and that is why you are a little detached. That's what I feel, and trying to think logically amongst whatever choices and avenues or options you have as to what is the right decision, what you should be doing exactly to reach your happiness or to find your happiness, something of that sort. So a lot of analytical analogical thinking is going on amongst the choices you have or the options you have, or whatever your situation is, or if you are confused regarding something, you are trying to analyze the situation properly so that somehow you can reach your happiness and achieve your happiness. Okay, and then we have the Seven of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, and the King of Wands. So similarly, there is a lot of passion over here. Maybe there is a person out here whom you feel passionate about, can be that also, but definitely there is a lot of passion over here in a situation and a lot of emotions also, and you have invested also in this situation. So you have invested in a situation, and there are emotions also, there is passion also in this situation, but somehow what I feel is it is the time you are giving to just reevaluate the situation. Maybe that is what it is which you are trying, maybe that is what is the area of your confusion, and that is what you are trying to analyze and think logically. Can be that also, can be something else, but maybe that is the reason over here, that this is the time you are, I think, just giving it a second thought basically. So in spite of having the passion, in spite of having all the emotions, in spite of investing in the situation, perhaps there is some reason that you are confused. Maybe there are certain things which are troubling you, certain issues which are troubling you at the emotional level or at the stability part, can be that. So even though the passion is there, but the emotional aspect and the stability aspect may be your issues for some of you, and that is why you are just re-evaluating the situation and thinking as to what should be done in this. So what I feel here is there is a lot of thinking and contemplation going on over here. And then we have the Six of Wands, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. Over here what I feel is you are progressing toward stability and victory and happiness and commitment. Okay, so whatever it is, you are taking perhaps the right decision. That's what I feel. You are moving with love, you are opening towards love, opening or sort of opening towards a person, towards love, or towards moving lovingly towards a situation, can be that also. So whatever it is, you are coming out victorious, you are getting the stability, you are getting that long-term commitment, if that is what it is. So stability is there, commitment is there, abundance is there. So, and opening up emotionally is also there. So the future here in January seems to be pretty good over here, Geminis. That's what I feel. So maybe whatever you are thinking about, you will be able to make the right choice and the correct decision, and then you will be able to realize where your stability and happiness lies. So let's see what is the message from this deck. The Hierophant, Five of Diamonds. So this is talking about stability again, maybe some sort of spiritual guidance also, stability, trying to go as far according to the traditional, following the traditional values in whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking. Can be, if it is a commitment which you are looking for, then it definitely talks about marriage. We have the Ten of Pentacles here. So marriage, commitment, long-term stability, everything on those lines can be expected here, Geminis, in the month of January. So that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.